Good morning. Today we're going to be finding the area and circumference of circles using the circle formulas. So for this first problem, we need to identify the radius. So the radius is actually half the diameter. So you can see here that they're giving us the entire diameter of the circle. So in order to find the radius, we have to do the diameter divided by 2. So this is going to be 8 divided by 2 gives us our radius, which is 4. So our radius here is going to be 4 feet. And then they're giving us the diameter. So our diameter will be 8 feet. And now in order to find the area, we have to use our formula. Area equals pi r squared, where r is the radius. So we're going to just plug in the r, which is 4. And for the assignment today, we're going to leave our answer in terms of pi. And what that means is we're just going to multiply the numbers and leave pi in our answer. So we'll do 4 squared is 16. So our final answer is 16 pi feet squared. And that is our area. Now to find the circumference, we're going to use the circumference formula. So we can either do circumference equals 2 pi r, or we can do circumference equals pi times diameter. So for this one, let's do circumference equals 2 pi r, where r is our radius. So we'll do 2 times pi times 4. Now we're going to leave this in terms of pi. So what that means is we're just going to multiply 2 times 4 is 8, and then leave pi in our answer. And our units for circumference, which is the distance around the entire circle, will be feet. Okay, so for this next problem, we need to identify the radius. So you can see the radius is given here. So our radius is 7 inches. And our diameter would be 2 times the radius. So our diameter is 2 times r. So 2 times 7 would be 14. So our diameter here would be 14 inches. Okay, so to find the area, we have to do our area formula. Area equals pi r squared, where r is the radius. So area equals pi times 7 squared. And we're going to, again, leave our answer in terms of pi. So we're going to do 7 squared. So 7 times 7 is 49. 49 pi, and our units is inches squared. So that would be our area. Now for the circumference, we can do our formula, which is 2 pi r. So it's 2 times pi times the radius, which is 7. So to leave this in terms of pi, we're going to multiply just the 2 and the 7, which is 14, and then leave the pi as part of our answer. So that is our answer. Circumference is 14 pi inches. Okay, so for this next one, to identify the radius, so our radius is equal to half of our diameter. So a diameter divided by 2. So you can see here that they gave us the whole diameter. So we have to divide that by 2 to get 9. So our radius is 9 yards. Our diameter is 18 yards. That's what they gave us. Now to find the area, we're going to use the area formula. So we're going to do area equals pi r squared. And our radius is 9. So now to leave this in terms of pi, we just do 9 squared, which is 9 times 9. And we leave the pi. And then our units is yards squared. So that would be our area. Now our circumference is 2 pi r. So our circumference is 2 pi times 9. So it's 2 times 9 is 18, 18 pi, and then our units is yards. So that's how you find the area and circumference of a circle using the circle formulas.